Hi everybody, this is Denise from Paper Crafty. I am actually doing my inaugural video. I am just so incredibly excited about this planner that I got from the, actually I purchased it from another person off of the Traveler's Notebook and Ringbound Planners Buy Sell Trade group. So I want to shout out to Jeannie Siegel. She was able to sell it to me for a very reasonable price, and it's from the 1407 planner group. It was a limited edition. It's completely sold out now, unfortunately, but I was so fortunate to get it. It didn't come with everything. Jeannie kept a few things, but I'm incredibly happy with what I got, and I knew I wanted to use it for my December daily the minute I saw it. So here's the planner itself. I added these little tassel, and I made this little charm on to go with it. I'm ridiculously happy at how it turned out. I actually took a necklace from Joann's and took off some things, like there was green that didn't match this, so I added these little beads. I added these little Tim Holtz pearls. I added this little bead that I had in my stash. Thought it kind of looked like this ornament right there. Anyway, so, you know, just kind of changed it up a little bit, added this from Tim Holtz, added a couple little stars that I had in my stash, and I took this bow off of another necklace from Joann's as well. So basically, you know, cannibalized these necklaces from Joann's and turned them into something I really like. And this was also from a necklace from Joann's. Turned that into this little, I don't know what they call this, but I had seen it in another photos from 1407. I really liked this idea because when you open the planner, you can then see this cute little charm right there. So anyway, I had gotten this paper pad from Michael's, just had this cute little candy cane that was a button. Got these stickers from Michael's. This was in my stash, just some little paper pad. And I did get the stickers from Jeannie. Thank you, Jeannie. And I got these little page flags. But really what I'm excited about is this. I decided to take an insert from 1407 and turn it into a place to do my December daily. I wanted to keep it really simple this year. I always get a little bit too complicated, and then I end up not finishing the project. And I wanted to be able to do it as I went along. So what I decided to do is get this insert, which is called Today Full Day Spread for the B6. And it's a normal page looks like this. It's got today, it's got your schedule, notes, and to do. But the way I decided to use it was to put a photo or some kind of embellishment here, and then cover up the schedule with a pad, some scrapbook paper. In this case, just plain cardstock. It's kind of a double-sided cardstock. And this is the dimension of that, just slightly less than 5 by 5. And then I put a photo on the top, a photo on the inside. I don't know if you can, it's going out of frame, so a photo on the inside. And then I kept my schedule for the day. I like that I can have my schedule and show what I did over the course of the day. Talk about the, you know, kind of some of the things that were going on in our lives, and then do a little journaling. So I did that I started actually with my very first Christmas event of the season, which happened to be in the beginning of November. I went to this, it's a dang, what was it called? It's a country store that they took out all of their inventory and put in Christmas decor. So it was really fun. They had a Santa Claus there, and it would just kind of help get into the Christmas spirit. So I really liked that. Also, in the middle of November, my daughter really wanted to go see The Grinch, so we took a friend of hers, went and saw The Grinch. So, you know, not a ton of photos for that, but, you know, just something fun. I have not added anything more yet, but I'm going to. We've got a few things that happened at the end of later part of November that I want to include. You know, my daughter was home for Thanksgiving, and we did a photo shoot. She was home from college, and we did a photo shoot. We made some tamales with our family. So, you know, those are things that I want to include before I get into the December. So, unfortunately, December has not been super exciting yet because our washing machine went out, and so I've been working on trying to repair that. This was our family photo, so I was able to put it in this, I don't know what they call this. This came with the 1407 planner. So this, I don't know, it's a clear sheet, but on one side I decorated it, and then here I put our Christmas card, which this was from the photo shoot. My daughters came home from college, and here's the back. That's our dog. And then this is one of the inserts that came with the planner. Just kind of included some of the details of what happened in our November. And then I'm gonna obviously need to add what's going on in December. There's a holiday countdown, which now I can start because we are in December already. These are some of the things that I wanted to do. I've already done Grinch, our photo shoot, tamales, and we went to some craft fairs, so I want to do more of that. But I need to continue this. Our holiday cards, I've already started those. So this is kind of our list, and finished about half of them. Some shopping, haven't had a chance to really get into too much more of this. But you know, there's lots of cool stuff in here. Started adding to the cookie list and the shopping list. This little fabric insert's super cool, and I intend to put some cards, you know, cards that we receive, put the cards in there. I've got, this is another insert that came with the planner, and I've done some, you know, added some stuff, but not a lot. Didn't do as much Cyber Monday shopping or Black Friday shopping as I had hoped. My mother-in-law had a leak of a gas leak at her house, so we ended up having Thanksgiving unexpectedly at my house. So I was pretty burnt out come Friday. Really wasn't up for doing any Black Friday shopping. So I'm just doing some ideas for gifts. Added that because those are some notes that I took. Here's the other side of that. And then this, I don't think I put anything in here. These are all just lists. I've got a place for adding some notes. Got these clips, which I haven't used yet either. I did get all of these really cute die cuts, which I can't wait to put in. Lawn Fawn had these little clips, which I thought were super cute and would fit in there perfectly. Got this cute little sticker when I placed an order for the inserts that I'm using for actually my December daily portion. And then this cute little tree from Target that I had gotten, I guess, last year. Jeannie kept the Pen Gems pen that said Fa La La, but I had a Baby Cakes Pen Gems pen, and it just doesn't have the Fa La La on it, but that's okay. I figure I can go ahead and make it in vinyl and add it if I want it. So far I just, you know, haven't gotten around to doing that. And I did a little bit of shopping at Starbucks. I have to say, I love the way this cute little cup from Starbucks, I think this is my favorite new cup. It goes with the planner. I didn't even realize that, but the colors are perfect. I love it. So I'm super excited about that. So anyway, just wanted to share this with everybody, give you some quick ideas on how you can use this Fa La La planner, or really any kind of planner, you know, Tennessee notebook for December daily. I know there's some ideas out there. I really like this 5x7 B6 size. It's super functional, and our cards this year, seems like a lot of cards this year are 5x6, so that worked out really well for, you know, inserting into the notebook. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it gave you some ideas for, you know, doing something quick and simple, but that's super fun and just really user-friendly. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll make some videos, more videos in the future. Bye-bye.